Peacocks, or commonly called peafowls in English, are birds that are famous for the beauty of their male tail feathers. There are three main species of peacocks. 1. Indian peacock, Pavo cristatus. The male's main plumage color is bright blue, long tail with colorful eye patterns, found mainly in India and Sri Lanka. 2. Green peacock, Pavo muticus. The main plumage color of the male is golden green, long tail with eye pattern similar to the Indian peacock. Found in Southeast Asia, including Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia. 3. Congo peacock, Afropavo congensis, smaller than the other two species. The main plumage colors of males are dark green and blue. Found in the Congo rainforest, Africa. General features: tail feathers. Only males have long, beautiful tail feathers, which are used to attract females during